Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Dolce Gusto. Alright, first you put your water in the little tank, and then you come right here and turn it on and wait for it to turn green. All this little goodness comes on. Alright, I'm going to be making the vanilla latte macchiato. It comes with two little different tubs for you to put in. You use this one first and this one second. Alright, as you can see, this one has a little, it's very easy to do. And then you push it in, pull it down. Then you put your glass up to it, and then you up here has a cold and a hot. Put it on the hot. As you can see, it starts coming out all nice and good. This is also counting down too. Alright, when that one's done, you open it back up. Take out your old pod. Put in the next one. There's only two little lines on that one. Alright. You put this back in. And then move it down too. And then press the heat one.